I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love. I take a deep breath every time I pass your door. I know you're there, but I can't see you anymore. And that's the reason you're in the dark. I've been a stranger ever since we fell apart. And I feel so helpless here. Watch my eyes are filled with fear. Tell me, do you feel the same? Hold me in your arms again. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love. I'm dreaming, will I ever find you now? I walk in circles, but I'll never figure out what I mean to you. Do I belong? I try to fight this, but I know I'm not that strong. And I feel so helpless here. Watch my eyes and fill with fear. Tell me, do we feel the same? Hold me in your arms again. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love. I need your love.
Robin, one time I read that you experienced life twice, once during childhood and once with another person. I'm so glad that person is you. Since our first date, I always knew this is it. And since that first date, we have built a dream life in the best city in the world with our perfect angel baby, Sunny. You captured my heart with your kindness, your patience, and your passion. Your integrity and compassion are at the center of everything you do. You're the most positive, charismatic person in every room. And you're annoyingly talented at nearly everything, except mini golf, where I almost always beat you. You've been by my side through every up and down and supported me every step of the way. Every moment we spend together lives within my heart. As we move forward in this next chapter, here are my promises to you. I promise you'll always have a hand to hold, so you never have to walk alone in your joys or sorrows. I promise to make your dreams my dreams and to cheer you on in everything you want to achieve. And I promise to listen, especially when it's hard, so you can feel heard. I promise to honor, love, and cherish you through all of life's adventures. Lastly, I promise to never take our life for granted, because we're so lucky to have found each other. We can never know what the future holds, but in this moment, I've never been more sure of sharing my life, the rest of my life with you.
I can't get through this.
Not yet, no.
Throwing that out there. It's going to be hard to follow up. Angie, standing here today, it is hard to put into words what you actually mean to me. I keep thinking about the odds of us meeting and how crazy it is and how lucky I am that life brought me to you and you to me. I won't retell the story, but it's kind of in here. Walking up to you on the street was one of the best decisions of my life. I don't think either of us knew that it would bring us here. But I'm so happy that it did. You are my world, and I am so excited to start a life with you. I love everything there is about you. I love the way you make me feel, the way you love me, your smile, your laugh, your loyalty to your friends, your loyalty to your family, the way you love deep. What I love the most about you is you as a person. And you're just the best. You care truly and deeply, and it makes you so special. I know I'm a lot sometimes. Far from perfect. But I promise to keep showing up for you, to support everything and anything you want to do, to be there for you every day, and to listen to you mostly. I will protect you, I will respect you, and I will love you forever. I promise to be patient when things are hard. I promise to be loyal and honest forever and choose you every day. Angie, you are my person, my best friend, and I choose you because I love you so much.
Robin, do you take Angie to be your lawfully wedded wife, to live together in matrimony, to love and honor Angie in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Angie, do you take Robin to be your lawfully wedded husband, to live together in matrimony, to love and honor Robin in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I, Robin,
Give you, Angie,
this ring as a symbol of my love
this ring is a symbol of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
I, Angie,
I, Angie,
give you, Robin,
give you Robin
this ring as a symbol of my love
this ring as a symbol of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
Now, in front of your closest friends and family, and by the authority given to me by the state of Illinois, I pronounce you husband and wife. Robin, you may kiss the bride.
So much pressure.
Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we're going next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. As the sun goes down. Doesn't matter. matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. So nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we go next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. Hey,
traveled to be here. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for sharing this special day with Angie and Robin. Angie, most people say they look up to their older siblings, but I've always looked up to you. You've always been someone I admire for your strength, your kindness, and the way you love the people around you. You've been more than just my sister, you're my best friend. More than anything, I've always wanted to see you happy, and the day you met Robin, I knew you had found something special. Robin, from the moment we met you, we loved you. You fit into our family so naturally, and it didn't take long for us to see how happy you make Angie. Thank you for loving her, supporting her, and taking care of her the way that you do. We couldn't have asked for a better person to stand by her side, and we're so happy to welcome you to our family. They say that the best relationships are built on love, friendship, and laughter. I know that the two of you have found that in each other, and I hope your life together is filled with endless joy, unforgettable adventures, and all the happiness you both deserve.
I feel surrounded by wonderful human beings, and I am overcome by what a wonderful experience this day is, and what Angie has brought into my family's life. And Angie, for the joy and the passion and the kindness that I see in my brother's eyes, I will forever be grateful to you. Thank you. Robin, I'm proud of you. I am so proud of you. To meet someone so amazing and to know and to grasp that person with both hands and say, this is what I want my life to be. It is a brave and beautiful thing. And I'm grateful to you as well. And thank you all for being here. This means the world. To the couple.
We're all so lucky to be here. We're all here for you guys. We love you all. Let's raise a glass. To Robin and Angie, health and happiness. We love you. Congratulations. To Robin and Angie.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love, is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two and love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can't make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you. Love